Hello, my name is Tom Stebbins, and I'm the University of Tennessee horticulturalist for Hamilton County. And part of my job is to conduct the Master Gardener class. And that class is held every January. It starts in January. It's a 15-week class that runs from January to April. And people from of all ages and sizes and shapes come and take the class and learn about gardening. And then after 15 weeks, there's classes involved, 15 weeks of classes. Start out with soil, and then we talk about botany and trees and flowers and landscaping and insects and diseases and different things like that. Then the people who took the class, in order to become a master gardener, they have to commit 40 hours of community service. So some of the ways they do that out in the community are at the county fair, they're at the garden expo, they're at the farmers markets, they're conducting classes. We have classes that are called beginner classes. We have classes on third Saturday. So over the years, those master gardeners give back about 20,000 hours of community service in the greater Hamilton County area. So if you're interested in this program, call our office at the number at the end of the program here and find out more about that program.